Okay. Ice bucket challenge. Dr. Paul. And go. Oh! Oh! Oh dear. Alright, sit back down, Paul. And
Come on, Paul, do you want a chance of doing this?
I'll just say all proceeds that have been donated are going to the Southeast Animal Welfare League, and congratulations, there it is. Well done, doctors. Well done.